Hey everyone, I'm Keisha, Charmaine, and I'm back, and in this video I'll be talking about 5 things you already know that could be making you $500 a day. Now, I know a lot of people are hesitant of starting a business, whether that be a side hustle or replacing their income completely, and the reason being is because they don't think that they're really good at anything. They don't think that they're an expert in anything, and I'm here to remind you that you are. When you've had a certain amount of life experience, you become an expert. Whether or not you've worked in a certain field or not, or you had a certain level of schooling or not, I know you are an expert in something, and I'm going to help you figure out what it could be. And I'm going to point out 5 general things that you could be an expert in that could make you $500 a day or more. Number 1, and this is my personal expertise, hair and beauty. Do you wake up every day and do your own hair? Do you wake up every day and do your children's hair, your husband's hair, or your wife's hair? You are an expert. And of course you can make money in the traditional route where you taking on clients, but I'm talking about teaching a skill set here. You can create digital products like ebooks and courses on whatever level of hair is your personal expertise. You can package your knowledge into ebooks, digital courses, or even workshops. You can hold live workshops, whether in person or on Zoom, record it, and resell the recording packaged. And now you're making residual income selling something that you have previously packaged. You did the work once, and now you can package it and sell it forever. Another one that applies to me: are you an expert in natural remedies and herbal remedies? You can create a recipe book, create DIY wellness products, teach what you know about herbs and essential oils. You can make an herbal guide for 25 bucks. Sell 20 a day, now you have $500 a day. And at a $25 price point, people will be eager to buy, especially if it's solving an issue that they have. Now this one is a little bit more general. I know a lot of you are experts in solving an issue in a niche. For instance, maybe you've had an issue with lateness or procrastination, but now you've mastered time management. Or maybe you're really good at budgeting or organizing a space. These are problems that people Google solutions to every single day. You can create a virtual workshop, and your workshop can pop up on those Google searches. You can have the workshop live and sell $50 tickets. You only need 10 attendees to make $500. And then once you package the workshop, you can sell it indefinitely. Number 4, you can sell what you know how to make. Are you really good at baking bread? Are you really good at making jewelry? Of course you can sell the actual bread or the actual jewelry, but if we want some residual income to make passively, we can sell how-tos. But you can do both. You can sell your bread, you can sell your jewelry, you can sell it in live events, you can sell it on your online shops, but of course you can also make your ebooks and make your workshops. And last but not least, I know a lot of you have social media content skills. Are you good at taking pictures, editing videos? You can help small businesses manage their social media presence. Businesses pay a lot of money for social media managers. Pitch to small businesses. Starting out, you can charge about $100 a week and take on as many small businesses as you can handle. So this is really just to get your mind running. You may be an expert in several areas, and you're not considering the ways that you can make money in those areas. And one of the best ways, in my opinion, is to teach. Down below you can access my ebook called the $500 a day blueprint. It's currently on sale for 20 bucks. Grab that. It is a 30-page deep dive into different ways that you can make your money. It's a deep dive that'll take you from ideation to execution. You'll learn how to price your products, your digital products or otherwise, and how to market without using paid advertisement. So it's normally $49.99, but you can get it for $20 today. And if you're ready for a deeper dive, check out my course, From Passion to Profit, where you'll see how I created my 6-figure product-based DIY business and how you can too. Thank you so much for watching. Love, light, and locks.